You're like Ron Swanson at Home Depot.
Hi there. Is there a project you're working on?
I know more than you.
All right.
Have you ever dreamed about buying your childhood home? Because I didn't. And yet somehow we just did. So how did we get here? My husband and I actually had a completely different plan. We bought 4 acres of land and we were finally about to build our dream home. Multi-generational, space for our kids, our parents, their families one day. That has always been the dream and it was about to come true. And then we hit a massive roadblock. The kind where everything gets put on pause and suddenly we're told we might have to wait a year, maybe even longer. However, that same week that happened, I found out my parents were selling this house. The house I moved into when I was 11, where every birthday, every holiday, every big life moment for the last 26 years had happened. My mom and stepdad got married right in this backyard, and all 3 of us girls had our wedding receptions here as well. I always knew they'd sell it one day. I just didn't think it would feel like this, and we definitely weren't planning on buying it. But between the timing, the story, and the chance to keep it in our family a little longer, well, we couldn't walk away. So we bought my childhood home, and now we're stepping into this completely unexpected season. Moving, renovating, having a baby, raising 6 kids all at once. It's a lot, but it also feels really meant to be. I'm going to be sharing this whole journey, the remodel, the memories, the chaos, all of it. So follow along. And if you want the full behind the scenes design plans and house tours, I'll be sharing everything over on my YouTube channel too. We're gonna pick out tile today for everything, floors, everything. He's so excited.
Should I not do that?
That's funny. I think we're ready. I think we're just gonna go in and know exactly what we want. We're gonna be in and out. Yeah?
Yeah, that's right.
All right, let's do it. Actually, I think I like this one better than this one. Because that's this.
Okay.
What do you think, the lighter?
Just looks like a little yellow in the camera. There, it looks nice. It's fine. A little beigey.
Debating between this color or this color. This is the color that's showing here. But do I want to go a little lighter? That's what I don't know. Lighter or stick with the dark?
Do you want to go to the design counter?
No, I'm good.
You're like Ron Swanson at Home Depot.
Hi there. Is there a project you're working on?
I know more than you.
All right.
Are you worried it's going to be too shiny?
No.
Porcelain's nice, but I really like the look of marble. This one?
Yep. Looks good. No marble for you.
Nothing for you.
It's too hard to maintain with our kids. There's no way, and it's so pretty. Oh, a girl who wants marble but forced to have porcelain. The veining, I don't know.
Oh, don't say veiny.
No, but that is what it is. It's called veining, isn't it?
We don't say that in our family. Wah, wah, wah.
Oh, I would do marble everywhere if I could. No, not really. I don't know.
Yeah, look, the price is $269 per square foot.
For that porcelain.
For these tiles. I guess it makes sense. There's less detail or whatever, but
That's true.
couldn't you just do a whole shower on that?
No. Okay, so I really like these.
Yeah, but they don't have price per square foot is $17 here, $18. This one doesn't have price per square foot. Price per
Wait,
box.
is that expensive?
Yeah, it's super expensive.
I mean, it's 1 banana, Michael. What could it cost? $10?
Yeah, the laminate stuff we're talking is like $3 a square foot. You can use that in one spot for 1 square foot now. That's all. Yeah, look, the price per box is $165.
That's
you
all.
get 10 pieces per box.
He's trying.
Well, I just don't understand why this is so expensive. And I feel like the marble was cheaper for the same kind of style. But we don't want the marble because it's
High maintenance.
high maintenance. Or maybe you just get it in the master bathroom and you don't worry about it.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, so the marble section.
I was way off. The marble's much more expensive.
Yeah.
A lot more.
That's why we gotta go porcelain, babe.
Yeah.
Marble taste, but a porcelain budget. Okay, so we're looking for this blue tile.
I don't really like that blue backsplash.
I literally picked everything up before we came here.
It's fine. We can roll with it. But
What do you mean? I thought you liked it. I showed you this before we came here.
I think I just like the countertop backsplash, same color thing.
Okay. So many blue options. So many blue. Okay. Tim doesn't like the glossy. He likes more matte. I like the glossy. Okay, so I really like the shower.
Yeah, looks great. I love it.
That's
Super.
the one you like
That's
too?
the one I
Okay, we
want.
agree. We agree on the shower. So now we just gotta find the tile that matches that.
The one I suggested. Any one of those blues. I mean, it doesn't have to match that.
Yeah. All right, so I think that's the one.
636 a square foot. I can get on board with that.
All right. Keeping me in check. Okay, so I'm debating between this one for the shower floor, the master shower floor, and this one.
That one.
Oh,
$5
you like
cheaper.
it's cheaper. You don't care about the design.
They both look lovely.
I want to go home now. Over at.
I do too.
She's probably gonna be standing around that long, but we got everything picked out, so yeah,
Where's this guy going?
ready to go.
Where are you going?
We're on a strict timeline. Up top. That was try again.
Can't do this arm. Our arm's
Try
too
again.
close.
Hold on. So that was not working. We gotta do that again.
Go. We should do it across. So you do your right hand, and I'll do my left.
Okay.
Then we meet right here.
Okay. We got everything picked out. There we go. I'm hungry.